Okay, so if anyone,
Hello.
guys, okay, so if anyone like cannot attend this meeting for XYZ reason, so I'll be posting the orientation meeting link on this group, so on the WhatsApp group, so you can easily view it on the WhatsApp group. So is it fine? So that would be good. So I just wanted, before starting off with this meeting, I just wanted to know which semester are you all guys from and which branch of engineering. I think all of you are from BMS College of Engineering. I just wanted to know which branch of engineering are you from and which semester. Okay, so Pradeep is telling everyone are from 8th semester. Okay, good, good. So guys, this particular internship program is on AI and ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I just wanted to know if any of you have previous experience in Python programming as well as any thing that is related to AI and ML. So just wanted to know any previous experience in Python programming or anything that is related to, do you know anything that is related to AI and ML? So do you have any experience on Python or do you know anything that is related to AI and ML? No. Okay. Kiran is telling no. No, no, no. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, not a problem, because we have designed this entire program from scratch so that anyone who doesn't have any basic knowledge in the field of AI ML so can easily learn it. So I am Aditya SK. So I am the CTO and the director of company called TechWid Labs. So I will be the mentor for your entire internship program. So mentor in the sense, I'll be helping you understand what are all the things that you need to learn in what period of time, and I'll be allotting you some certain projects that are related to AI and ML. And also, I mean, I'll be helping you do your project. So if you have faced any queries, errors, or problems, I'll be happy to help you. So to start with, so let us understand the whole, the whole internship program. So this internship program is specially designed for you guys. So to start with, this internship program is for 6 months. It is for 6 months, basically 6 months internship program. So when I tell it is 6 months internship program, so when I talk about 6 months, this 6 months will be filled with, you will have 3 months of learning. 3 months of learning. So totally you are getting 6 months of internship in our company, that is TechWid Labs. So you will have 3 months of learning and 3 months of internship. So how is this going to happen? So now it is October. So in this October month, you will be learning certain concepts. So like, okay, so October month, entire thing you will be learning Python programming and ML Essentials. So Essentials is nothing but ML Essential libraries of Python. Okay, so in October month, you will be learning Python programming and ML Essentials of Python. That is the libraries. So we have different libraries, like how you have like mat.h, conio.h in C or C++ programming language. We have different libraries. So there is one library called matplotlib. So there is one more library called as pandas. So you will be working on these libraries and you will be understanding how actually data is being driven. So as you know, anything you want to learn about artificial intelligence or machine learning, you need to learn about data. So these October month, you will be learning about the Python programming and ML essentials of essential libraries of Python programming. And there are two libraries basically, matplotlib and pandas. So then what you will be trying to do is in the month of November, you will be trying to work on this project. Okay, so project on this particular like Python essentials. So project on Python and data visualization. So what is data visualization? How can we understand our data through the help of graphs? So data visualization you will be doing. So this will be done in the month of November. So you will be completing some projects on that. So in December, what you will be trying to do is you will be working on the machine learning algorithm. So what is machine learning? What are the machine learning algorithms that are there? So you will be working on machine learning algorithms. So you will be learning a library called as scikit-learn. So scikit-learn is again a Python library. So that will include the machine learning algorithm. So entire explanation about what is a machine learning algorithm, how to work on a machine learning algorithm. So each and every detail will be given in the month of December. So when you have in the month of January, so what you will be doing in Jan? So in Jan, you will be working on a project on machine learning. So Jan, you will have projects on machine learning. So you will be completing projects on machine learning. So when it comes to Feb, so now 4 months got over. So when you come to Feb, so Feb you will be doing what? So you will be working on the applications of machine learning. So what are the applications of AI and ML? So when we talk about that, there is something called as natural language processing, NLP. And there is also something called as computer vision. So NLP deals with your text to speech, translation from one language to another, understanding the emotions of a text, language, all these things you will be learning. And computer vision is based on image processing, just like how to detect images. I mean, how to detect something in images like facial recognition, object recognition. So all these kinds of applications of AI and ML you will be learning. Similarly, in the month of March, you will be doing, I mean, you will be doing application, I mean, a project on applications of machine learning. So a project on NLP and CV, that is the computer vision technology. So I think the internship duration for you guys is 6 months, right? So correct me if I'm wrong. So you need, I mean, the internship duration that is like recommended for you is 6 months of internship, right? Okay, so if you are told 3 months of internship, so then what we'll be trying to do is, okay, 12 weeks. I guess 3 months in the sense we'll be dividing this. Okay, let me divide. Okay, so what I'll try to do is I'll try to, like, in the 3 months we can divide it into 15 days, because like it depends on your thing also. So you can divide it like this. So October, November, and December, in 3 months you need to complete. So instead of, I mean, instead of doing it for 6 months, so October, okay. So I'll tell you how this schedule will go, because like some students require 6 months of internship. So leave it out. So in the October, okay. So in October, what you will be doing is you will be learning the whole Python part, and you will also be covering the project on Python and data visualization. So Python programming and data visualization you will be learning, and you'll also be covering the project on Python. Similarly, in November, simple. So you'll be learning about machine learning algorithms and how to implement them. Then projects on ML on October. Now December, what you'll be doing is you'll be learning on applications on that is AI and ML. That is nothing but natural language processing and computer vision. So what you will be trying to do is you will be trying to complete this whole part, that is the project on NLP and your computer vision. So this is the entire schedule. So what is the entire schedule? You will try to understand this. So in October, you will be doing this thing. So in October, you will be doing this. In November, you will be covering this. In December, you will be doing this. So totally 12 weeks of internship program. So October, November, and December. So projects also in the same month you will cover, because 3 months of internship you require. Okay, so this is the whole schedule that you will be conducting. So in this schedule you need to okay, so you need to be focused and start. There is, okay, so this is like a hybrid model which will not only include project work, but also it will include your, I mean, it will also include your training also. So how will you get trained and how to access your training materials? That is simple. So we have a website called as techvidlabs.learnist.com. So TechVid Labs Learnist is our training portal. So Learnist portal is a training portal where you will find contents that are related to AI and ML, pre-recorded video lectures. So you will be working on those you will be watching those pre-recorded video lectures, and you will be trying to complete certain things on those pre-recorded video lectures also. So what you need to do in this entire month is, in the month of October, so what you need to watch videos relating to Python programming and ML essential libraries of Python programming and Panda. So you will complete those. And at the end of 20 days, so on October 20th, I'll be giving you a project on the Python and data visualization. So you'll complete it. So you'll learn what is Python programming and what are the essential libraries and how to use them. Okay, so this is what you'll learn in October. In October 20th, you will be doing a project on Python programming and data visualization. So in November, again, machine learning algorithms, projects on that you will be doing. In December, applications of AI ML and projects on that. So this portal, if you go, so right now you are not being provided any access to the course materials because this is just the orientation meeting. So when you try to, when you complete the registration process that is required for our company, so you will be allowed to get access to this thing. So as I told you, so we have Python basics and Python for AI. This you will be doing in October. So then these are all the things that are related to your machine learning algorithms. So you will be completing this in October. And in November, you will be doing image processing and natural language processing. So this is the entire thing. So you will be learning on this portal, that is Learnist portal. So on the Learnist portal, you will be learning. You will be getting the access to this Learnist portal by tomorrow or day after. You will be getting. So you can start watching the videos immediately and start learning. And every 10 to 15 days, we'll be having live Q&A session. So what is this live Q&A session telling you about? Is live Q&A sessions. So, okay. So one thing is, this whole thing, don't get confused. It is not only for your, it is not only just a project or an internship program. This is like a personal enhancement program for you also, guys. So if you're looking for job opportunities, we have hundreds of connects with a lot of job opportunities. So that is also available with us. So then if you're looking for any mentorship from we also provide those mentorship sessions also. So what are the other things that we provide apart from the training as well as the project work? So the first one that we will be providing is called as LinkedIn profiling. So LinkedIn profiling is nothing but I guess most of them are have your LinkedIn profile, but how to build an effective LinkedIn profile. So how to get a job on LinkedIn, how to post it. So this is very important. So how do you earn your skill badges on LinkedIn? So there are hundreds of opportunities that are available on LinkedIn. So there are, okay, for example, I just show you the screen. 1 second. Okay, so I'll just show you the screen. So, okay, so if you can see the jobs on LinkedIn, so 1 second. So if you can see the jobs on LinkedIn for data scientist or AI ML engineer. So AI ML engineer, if you see the jobs there, so see hundreds of job opportunities are available here. So the main problem is you need to know how to apply to them, how to apply properly, what are all the prerequisites that you need to do. This we'll be covering. So what we'll be trying to do is we'll also be covering the major portion, that is the LinkedIn profiling, apart from your project work. So we'll be doing individual LinkedIn profiling, that is to see how effectively you have created the LinkedIn profile. So this is very important. So how effectively you have created the LinkedIn profile, we'll be doing that. The second thing that we'll be trying to do is about freelancing. So what is this freelancing and how exactly freelancing opportunities are provided? So what exactly about freelancing is, you already know there are hundreds of freelancing opportunities. So hundreds of freelancing opportunities in the sense, you don't need to work for a company directly. You can work immediately to a lot of companies. To a lot of people also, they need a lot of work. So we'll be helping you create a profile on Upwork. So Upwork is nothing but a freelancing websites. So there are hundreds of freelancing websites like Freelancer. So, and you have 99 Guru. So there are hundreds of freelancing websites. So we'll be helping you how to get a freelancing job. So if you are a person who is a data analyst or who works on AI and ML, so you have a lot of jobs available. See, Every like if you want to go to the like development and IT domain, there are hundreds of job opportunities that are available for data scientists. So you belong to the category of data scientists because you are learning about how to acquire data, how to build, work with data, machine learning, and this. So we'll also help you to like list your profile on Upwork. So how to create an effective profile, how do you get a job, how do you earn money while you learn. So this also will be covering. Okay, so these are the things that we'll be trying to cover in this particular program. So then apart from this, what? So apart from this, we have another thing called as okay, so we have something called as research paper. Okay, so research paper writing. So research paper writing, why do you need research paper writing? See, the main thing that you do while completing your engineering is you will be trying to understand. You will be working on your final year projects, or you'll be trying to do some research activities. But the major problem is when you try to do a research activity. So to tell that your research activity is yours, so you need to have some proof. The only two parts in your proof is nothing but the only two like parts of proof that you have done is a patent or a research paper. So we'll be helping you to like write research papers. And why do you want to write research papers? If you're going abroad for your higher studies, for example, you're trying to go do MS in a top university in USA. So if you want to do that, the major issue that you have is like people, like there are 100 applications that come to a university. So how will the university make a difference that you have done something apart? So for that university to understand that you have done something apart, so if you show your research activity, that is very important. So first thing is how to write research papers, and you already know, you would have heard it in your engineering career about IEEE. So IEEE is the Electrical and Electronics Engineers Association. So they have certain journals. So in their journals, how to publish papers, what are the rules and regulations to publish an IEEE papers. So there are different journals, like just like how you have magazines like Autocar magazine, Outlook magazine. So there is there is a journal called as Springer. So Springer is also very, an effective journal. It is a very effective journal. So if you publish a paper on Springer, so it is equivalent. It is very highly regarded, and obviously you will have much upper hands when you are trying for jobs. So Springer, IEEE, so a lot of such paper publications also. How to write, what is the format, and what are the chances of getting published. So there are hundreds of other XYZ research paper journals also. But the problem is, if you write it somewhere where there is no value, there's no point in doing it. So you need to try to do it in those places which have some value or which has some rating. Just like how you have ratings for a website, so even for journals you will have ratings. So best is you need to work on those journals which will have a lot of Scopus index, we call it. So we call the ratings of this particular journal as Scopus index. So whichever has good Scopus index, you can work on those journals. So how to do that, we'll be helping you also. So apart from that, what is the last thing that we'll be doing is about the job opportunity. So what is the job opportunity requirement that you need? So job opportunity requirement is like we have connects with hundreds of companies that are working along with us. So they require manpower. So basically every company requires manpower, but how do they select manpower? So they conduct drives in colleges, they could do off campus, but they also hire through us because you would have already undergone training in those domains. For example, if you have worked on 3 months for AI and ML, you would have a good grip, right? I'm not telling you will be a professional in AI ML, but you will have a very good grip when compared to others. So that is why you will have a lot of opportunities when it comes to job. So there is one company called Math Company. So Math Company is one company. We have Informatica. So we have DXC. So hundreds of companies is hiring through us. So there is Mercedes-Benz Research and Development Institute, MBDRI, Mercedes-Benz Research and Development Institute. So a lot of companies are looking for talented candidates to work for their company. So we'll also be helping you in get placed in these kinds of companies. So if you successfully complete this 3 months of program, so we'll be helping you to get placement opportunity in these companies as well. So that is how you the entire thing will go about. So you'll have LinkedIn profiling, freelancing help, research paper writing, and job opportunities as well. So these are the things that we'll be trying to do in the next 3 months. So I hope you are all prepared to spend your next 3 months. I'm telling, I am requesting you to just spend 1 hour per day. So I know you'll have a lot of things, placements and other things that in your mind. So just spend 1 hour per day working on the basic concepts. So not much stress will be there, because for other college students or VTU, the internship period is 1 month. So since you have 3 months with you, so you can easily cover a lot of topics with ease and you can work on them, so to get a better idea. Okay, so this is there. And one thing, when you're trying to learn AI and ML is, you must be familiar with two things. So one is your Stack Overflow. So Stack Overflow is a Stack Overflow will help you easily like clear your errors basically. So when you try to clear your errors with respect to any kind of thing that you have, so you need to like work with Stack Overflow. You'll get hundreds of doubts, errors and problems that you need to solve using Stack Overflow. If you don't get even in Stack Overflow, you contact me, I'll help you do it. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm trying to help make you understand. So these are all the things that you need to understand while doing this internship program. So by like 2 or 3 days, within tomorrow, you will be getting the access to all the courses, so you can start watching the videos. So this month is October month. So when I tell you it is October month, so what you are trying to do is you must be covering up what? So you must be covering up this part, Python programming. So and AI libraries. So MLS, like Python essentials for AI and ML. So these two domains in the portal you'll be covering. So once in 10 or 15 days, I'll come online. I'll ask what are the doubts that you have. So, and you'll also be doing a project on Python programming. So this is the entire agenda for this month. So if you have any doubts or queries or clarifications, please ask. Okay, so any doubts, guys? Any doubts you have in this entire program? Okay, so if you want to give, if you want me to give you weekly goals, that is also possible. See, we will be giving you, okay, so the October agenda is Python programming and Python libraries for ML. So if I consider week 1, today is already 6th, okay. So if you start from 6th, so the first week or the second week of October, we are like what you need to do. So second week of October, okay, so learn about basics of Python. So basics of Python in the sense, cover. Okay, so you need to cover things such as data types. Okay, data types of Python. So what are the different data types of Python? You will have like string, numbers, Boolean. So these are all the basic data types that are there in Python. String, Booleans, number. Okay, numbers. Then okay. So then the basic things, that is the conditional statements. Okay, so conditional statements, then looping statements. This you will try to cover in the second week. That is the upcoming week. So third week, what you will try to cover? So in the third week, you will be covering data structures. That is data structures. That is nothing but lists, dictionaries, tuples, sets. So you will be covering this. So in the third week. So first week is basic data types. So and you will also have to cover the operators also. So these are all simple concepts. That doesn't take too much. So what are the different operators that are there? Okay, so when you come to the third week, so third week is all about this data structures, list, dictionaries, tuple, sets, and even you can include the string operations also. So that will also be included here. So next, what is the thing that you do is in the fourth week of October. So you will be covering what? So you will be covering the matplotlib library. And you'll also be covering what? So you'll be covering pandas also. So after you do that, I'll be giving you a small project so you can complete it within few days and you can submit it in the month of November. So this is the whole plan. Second week, learn about the basics of Python, cover strings, data types, numbers, Boolean, conditional looping statements, operators. Then you'll work on list, dictionaries, tuple, sets, and strings in the third week. Fourth week, these two libraries, pandas and matplotlib. So these two, even though it is just 2 words, there are a lot of things to learn. So you can cover these in the fourth week. So am I clear with the weekly schedule? So in the November month, I'll be telling you the November schedule also. Okay, so good, good, good. Okay, guys. So I think I have given you enough insight about the entire thing. So please do let me know if any problems are there, any errors are there, if you're not able to keep up. See, the major thing is like there is opportunity for everyone to like come into the world of data science or machine learning. I'm telling you personally that there are hundreds of job opportunities. Not lying to you. There's no point in lying. So you can just open LinkedIn. So I'll just show you on LinkedIn how many opportunities are there. So when I type in AI ML job, so see here. So there are lot of jobs. Okay, so a lot of jobs that are related to data scientists. So when I just type in Python developer, see how many jobs are there. If you have an effective resume, by the end of your 8th semester, see how many job opportunities are there only for Python developers. So then when it comes to your other aspects, so when I tell about other aspects like data scientist, so data scientist is again who works on data machine learning, then who works on like who works on data basically. So any person who works on data, so he's a data analyst. So all, I mean, hundreds of jobs are available, guys. Lot of companies. So FIS Global is hiring a lot of people. Then see business analysts they have. Like if you have the interest to learn this particular thing, so then there is no one to stop you. The minimum package is around 8 lakhs. No one ever gets placed below 8 lakhs for data scientists because there are not enough data scientists. Everyone are just doing the software engineering part. So that is how this entire thing is happening. So please do take this seriously and try to work upon it. So if there is any doubts, clarifications, clarities, I'm always there in the WhatsApp group. You can contact me personally as well. So thank you guys, and I hope you have a very good learning session ahead. And I hope you make the best use of this and try to like learn more about AI and ML. Thank you guys, and wish you a very happy learning experience with TechVid Labs. So I am Aditya SK, I'm the CTO of the company. So if you have any doubts and clarification, so I'll be answering all your doubts and clarification. So thank you guys, and have a very good festive season also. Thank you. So I'll be posting this recording also. Okay, so sometime like I'll be posting this on the WhatsApp group. So either I'll be uploading a YouTube live session and I'll be posting it. So you can those of you who could not watch it can easily watch it. Okay. So thank you guys and good night. Bye.